In this video, you'll learn how to create a directory website using the MyListing theme. By following these steps, you will be able to establish a functional and visually appealing directory site on WordPress.com. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once there, locate the Sites option in the main menu. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can manage or create sites. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Next, look for the button labeled Create with AI on the site management page. This option will guide you through the process of setting up your new directory website. After clicking this button, you may observe a loading indicator as the AI prepares to assist you. Once the AI is finished loading, a message will appear stating laying the foundations. This indicates that the system is preparing the necessary components for your website. Be patient, as this step may take a moment depending on your internet speed. After the initial setup, you will see a message prompting you to make a website as unique as you. This is where you will begin customizing your directory site. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to proceed. You will then be prompted to type in Create a directory website into the designated input field. This step is crucial as it defines the primary purpose of your site. After entering the text, click on the Enter key to submit Following this, a confirmation message will appear indicating that WordPress.com can create a directory website based on your input. This feedback is essential to confirm that the system has recognized your request. Next, you will be asked to choose from the options presented to you. Type in your selection, which should reflect the choice given above, and then press Enter again to continue to the next step. You will now see a message asking for your website's title, which is the name that will appear in the Browser tab. Type in your desired site title and click Enter once more to confirm your entry. After entering the title, you will be prompted to provide a tagline or description for your site. This will help visitors understand what your directory offers. Type in a concise tagline and click Enter to proceed. The next step requires you to click on Create My Site. This action will initiate the final setup of your directory website. Ensure you have completed the previous steps accurately to avoid any issues. Once you click Create My Site, a message saying, "Please wait, your site is brewing," will appear. This indicates that the system is generating your website. Be prepared for a brief waiting period as the site is being created. You should now see a progress indicator as the system works on generating your site. This process may take some time, depending on the complexity of your directory and your internet connection speed. Patience is key during this stage. After the generation process has completed, you will receive a notification confirming that your directory website is ready to be viewed. Take a moment to explore your new site and ensure that everything is functioning as expected. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.